Hello everyone, welcome. I am the old food guy. It's just a nice little quick one today. I'm just going to have a little experiment. I've got my ALDI air fryer. £39 that was from ALDI. And I'm going to cook some chicken tikka slices. They're not frozen, so I want to see what they taste like. I've got some, these are from Iceland, cheese and onion bakes, Greg's ones. These are frozen, so I want to try them. And I've got a red pepper and mozzarella parcel. That's from ALDI. And I'm going to try them. Now, I mean, that takes 35 minutes in the oven. The parcel. The bakes take 28 minutes. And the chicken tikka take 20 minutes. So I'm going to put them in the air fryer. I'm just seeing how they turn out. So let's turn the air fryer on. Let me warm it up for a second first. I've only just had this, so I don't really know how to use it. There you go. Oh, and I've also got a couple of pieces of parchment paper that I've cut out. So I think that the frozen ones will probably stick to the bottom because they're frozen. So I just put some. I didn't know whether you could put parchment paper in the bottom of an air fryer. Well, I've looked online and apparently you can, as long as they don't touch the elements. So we'll give it a go and we'll see. So I'll let that warm up and then I'll bring you back in a second. Right, that's warmed up now. So I'm going to do the frozen ones first. Can you see that there? Yeah, I'm going to put a piece of parchment paper in. I don't know if I'll get two in at the same time, but we'll see. No, I'll only get one. Let's put the cheese and onion slice in first. Now, I don't know how long these are going to take. So I'm going to put it on for... Well, I'll just start it and put it on for 10 minutes because it's frozen. And we'll see what it's like. Say half hour in the oven to 10 minutes in there. See if it works. So I'll let that do its thing, let it count down a bit. And I'll check it every 5 minutes. So I'll bring you back in a second. Right, that's halfway through, that's been 5 minutes. I'm going to have a look. Okay, it's browning up. Looks a bit dry though. Another 5 minutes to go. I'll bring you back in a second when that's done. Right, this one's on its last minute now. I haven't looked at it. So I don't know what it's going to be like. Might need a bit longer. Might have been too much. But it's trial and error. As I say, if you do like content like this, give us a subscribe, give us a thumbs up. I'm going to be uploading every day. There we go, that's all done. Let's have a look. That's just a warm-up fan. Okay, seems cooked. See that? Seems cooked, maybe another couple of minutes, maybe. Maybe another 2 minutes, you see? I'm going to put it in for another 2 minutes. I'm going to put it in for another 2 minutes and we'll see how it goes. So I'll wait for that to finish. Then I'll bring you back. So there's 1 minute left on that now. So I had another 2 minutes. So we'll check it out and we'll see. There it is. Let's have a look. Okay, it seems cooked. I don't know if it's cooked in the middle. But we'll get that one out. That's going to be hot. You get me tongs. It's stuck at the bottom. There's one. Another bit of parchment paper somewhere. I'm going to stick the parcel in this time. That looks lovely, look at that. I might actually put some oil on that one and see if it looks a bit better. Let's try it. See if it browns up a lot more. So there you go, put a bit of oil in it. I'll stick that one in for the same. I'll stick that one in for 12 minutes this time. Too far. There we go, I'll stick that in for 12. And then I'll bring you back and we'll have a look at that one. Right, that's got 5 minutes to go. I'm going to open it up. Looking nice. See that? But what I've found, if you look at this one, it's a little bit raw at the bottom, look. So I might take the parchment paper off. Now it's gone a bit, look, it's sticking everywhere, so I don't know what to do. Take the parchment paper off, look, it's not cooking underneath. And try the last 5 minutes like that. And I'll stick that other one in for 5 minutes and see what happens. But I say, it's still raw underneath. So I'll stick that back in. Without the parchment paper, but I've got a feeling it's going to stick to the bottom. Because they're frozen. But anyway, I'll bring you back in a minute. Like this one's about to finish. I've got a funny feeling this one's going to need a lot longer. And I've got a funny feeling it's going to be full of cheese. It was all leaking out the bottom. What I should have done earlier, I didn't think. With this one, and it's raw at the back, I should have turned it over. Which I'll stick it back in and do that. Let's have a look at this one here. It looks nice on the top, look. I don't think that's going to be cooked underneath. It's hot. Let me get me thingy. So it's stuck to the bottom. Problems. There we go. Yeah, if you notice it's raw at the bottom, look. I think I'll turn it over now. Put that in for about another 3 or 4 minutes. Put it in for 5. Time's wrong on there. Put the time down. There you go. Yeah, so I think maybe cook it with parchment paper one side, first half. Take the parchment paper out and turn it over. That'd probably be the best solution. Anyway, bring you back in a minute. Right, that's got 1 minute to go. So it's all trial and error. I don't use the air fryer much, but they come in handy. I've seen it up ALDI's. So I thought I'd buy one and just, you know, if the kids want some chips or something, they can just stick them in there. So I'm learning on the go with it. I'll try it, make mistakes, so you don't have to. Should be about to finish in a second, I think. I'm not expecting them ones to take very long because they're already cooked, I think. I think they just need reheating up. That's done. Yes. I mean, it's, yes. I mean, it's hard. I don't think that's cooked. I'm going to put that in for another 5 minutes again. I'm going to turn the temperature up. I'll get another 6 minutes. I know them parcel ones, they did say extra 35 minutes in the oven, so this is at what now? 12, 17. It's going to be about 25 minutes in this. So by the time your oven warms up and you get one in, you're probably talking 50 minutes. So it's probably about half the time. But we'll see. I'll let that count down and I'll take it out again and we'll have a look. Right, that's on its last minute. I'll turn the temperature up to 200 degrees. Looks on the box and it says cook it at 200. I'm going to cook it at 180. I'm thinking maybe 10 minutes each side at 200 degrees. Maybe that'd probably fix it. But as I say, trial and error. Should be about ready to finish any second now, I think. I say, don't forget to hit the like button. I am new to all this. It's an old bloke with a phone. Now that's a bit better. So we can turn it over. Hot. That's a bit better. Ah, that's hot. That's hot. Right, I'll put the other one back in for a couple of minutes upside down. Put it on 200 degrees. I'll put it on for 10. And I'll bring you back when that one's done. Right, that's on its last minute. I haven't looked at it, it's been in for 10 minutes. I haven't even opened it up. Probably burnt now. But we'll see. So it's probably be a lot quicker with one of these Ninjas. You know, got these Ninja ones for like 150 quid or whatever they are, but this was like 39, so let's have a look. So now that's better. That's boiling hot. That's a lot better. Well, I'm going to stick one of these ones in now. I'm not expecting these to take very long at all. I'm just going to stick that in. 200 degrees. I'm going to stick that in for 5 minutes. and then we'll see how we get on with that one. So I'll wait for the countdown and I'll bring you back. Right, that's on 1 minute to go. Haven't looked at it, haven't turned it over, haven't shook it. As I say, give us a subscribe, give us a like. Anything you want me to try in the air fryer, let me know. Should be finishing any second now. Then I'll cut them open and we'll have a look. There we go. Unless this isn't cooked. Oh, that's cooked, look. I didn't think that would take long. See that? 5 minutes that one was. I didn't think that'd take long, it was already maybe a little bit too long. Right, I'll get a knife and then we'll cut it up. Right, let's cut some up and have a look. Which one should we do first? Should we do the parcel? To be honest, I could have done with a couple more minutes. But let's have a look. I mean, flaky, hot. Nice. Give it a taste, see if it's cooked. Oh wow. They're really nice. That's cooked. Now we go on the cheese and onion pasty. That's cooked. See the steam? Let's try it. Very nice, burnt my lip that one. Very nice. And let's try the chicken tikka slice. See how that looks. This one's only been in for 5 minutes. That was only lukewarm. Them two were boiling up. Maybe I could have done with about 7 minutes, that one. The chicken tikka. Very nice though. Favourite, the parcel. Then the chicken tikka if it was warm. Lovely. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till the next time, bye bye.